What's up with the YouTube? So today I got a Porterhouse. I'm going to do reverse sear. I have watched a couple videos checking it out. I'm going to use my own special and rub that I mixed up. I got me some onions, yellow and red peppers in a bag. I'm just going to go ahead and beat it up like this. Just beat it up. You don't want to beat it into a cube stuff, but you know, you want to stretch the meat out a little bit. I'm going to do a reverse sear over some hickory wood till it's about medium, and then I'm going to put it straight over that fire and see how it turns out. Love some backyard barbecuing. If I could and I had the time, I would barbecue every day. Only if I had the time, most. Let's see, I'm gonna use my own special rub. You can go back a couple videos, look up my special dry rub, and just put it on there. Don't be scared to season your steak. I don't like steak sauce, so I season mine pretty well. Stick it in this little bag. Let it sit for about 2 hours. Then we're gonna go out there and throw it on this smoker. See what we got. And once it's marinated, we'll get ready for some backyard barbecuing. Got my nice smoked okra joe going. Fire already hot. Go ahead and put this nice Porterhouse on. I picked up my local market. I beat it. You know, and I'm gonna go ahead and let that smoke. I'm gonna try that reverse simmer I've been seeing on TV with YouTube a lot lately. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna close up. Back and check it on. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. Doing this reverse sear, letting it smoke roll. We got about 225, 250 right now. Let's see what she's doing. Look at the nice. You can already see the redness. That's cooking. Let's flip it over. See the grill marks. Look at the peppers. They're sticking to it. Look at the redness around there. Look at that. Then we go put it on. About 10-15 more minutes, we'll put it directly on the heat. See, get a little char. Okay, we done let it smoke about 20 minutes on the indirect smoker. Let's go ahead and put it on the direct heat. See what we get there. Look at that baby go. Call that reverse sear. I'm gonna see if we make it juicier. We'll find out. Go ahead and close up. Just gonna be some good eating, I know. Ooh, look at that pretty baby right there. Nice chop. This reverse simmer may be my new friend. Look at that. Just look at the gloss on it. Won't need no steak sauce or nothing. That's that reverse sear. Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment. Let me know some ideas y'all want to do. Hey, let me know some things I should do for this giveaway. Hey, peace out.